Welcome to my YouTube channel. The central idea of general theory of relativity is that gravity arises from the curvature of space and time. Four-dimensional coordinate called space-time. So gravity is actually a geometry. If we throw a ball upward in the straight line and we try to plot a graph of height versus time, then we will get a curved path like this. HT. This is the curved path on HT graph. If ball is thrown upward in a straight line, now any object with same initial velocity x0, v0 and same initial position x0 will follow the same curved path, and that is the uniqueness of trajectory in space and time. So all object will follow same curved path with same x0, v0, same initial position and initial velocity, and that is the uniqueness of trajectory in space-time. Einstein proposed that this uniqueness of trajectory of the curved path can be explained in terms of four-dimensional coordinate called space and time. Any object such like Earth, Sun will curve the space-time around itself, and in this curved path, in this curved space-time, all object will follow a straight path, and this will become identical to gravity. So gravity is nothing but a motion of any object in curved space time. Now space is flat or curved. Space is flat or curved. That is an empirical question. C.F. Gauss, one of the greatest mathematicians, tried to measure the angle, sum of the angle in the triangle. We know that the sum of the angle in any triangle is alpha, beta, gamma is 180 degree, pi, alpha, beta, gamma. But this is only true for the flat space. So in the flat space, if we take any triangle, the sum of angle of this triangle is 180 degree. But if we take a sphere, and in this sphere if we take a spherical triangle like this and try to measure the sum of the angle of this spherical triangle, then the sum of the angle of this spherical triangle is almost equal to 270 degree. So it is more than 180 degree. So in any spherical triangle, on any sphere, the sum of angle is more than 270 degree. So on any spherical triangle, the sum of angle, interior angle is equal to pi plus a divided by a square. A is the radius of the sphere and a is area. This is the formula for the sum of the angle in the any spherical triangle. And if a by a square is almost equal to 0, then it will become pi. So identical to sum of the triangle, sum of the angle in flat space. So the summation of the angle of any triangle depends on the curvature of the space, whether the space is curved or it's flat. And general theory of relativity completely depends on the curvature of space and time.